Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best waxing kit is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone looking to achieve smooth, hair-free skin in the comfort of their own home, offering a convenient and often more affordable alternative to salon treatments. This comprehensive set aims to provide everything you need for a professional quality waxing experience, from the initial preparation of the skin to the final soothing aftercare, ensuring that you can tackle unwanted hair with confidence and achieve salon-worthy results without leaving your house. Number 5. Tress Wellness Waxing Kit. Introducing the Tress Wellness Waxing Kit, specially formulated for sensitive skin. Enjoy a safe and effective hair removal experience right at home. This versatile kit is perfect for all areas, including your face, bikini line, and full body. Achieve smooth results without irritation. Designed for convenience, it's an easy-to-use at-home solution. Get salon-quality results without leaving your house. The kit includes essential prep and aftercare sprays to ensure a comfortable waxing experience. Prepare your skin and soothe it afterwards. Featuring a clear digital display, you can easily monitor and control the temperature for optimal waxing. Achieve precise results every time. Not only is it effective, but it also boasts a chic black and purple flower design. Add a touch of style to your beauty routine. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for sensitive skin, making it a gentle option for facial and full body hair removal. If you have delicate skin or are prone to irritation, this is a great choice. Its easy-to-use digital display also ensures precise temperature control for a comfortable waxing experience. What people say. It literally has an app and it shows you step-by-step of this product and how to use it for different waxes for all of your body types, etc. No harmful chemicals or effects to my skin or body. It comes with ring patches to make sure you won't get a messy spill or leak or anything like that. The beads melt really fast. The instructions are clear, and the warmer heats up quickly without getting too hot. The wax itself is amazing. It grabs the hair really well without being too harsh on the skin. I noticed way less irritation compared to other methods, and my skin felt smooth for weeks. The instructions were clear, and the wax consistency was easy to work with once heated properly. It removed hair effectively without feeling overly harsh, and I didn't experience the irritation I've had with other kits in the past. The kit includes everything you need to get started, which makes it feel beginner-friendly rather than overwhelming. Number 4. KoluaWax Premium Waxing Kit for Women. Introducing the KoluaWax Premium Waxing Kit, designed for a smooth and easy hair removal experience. It's perfect for beginners and anyone looking for salon-quality results in the comfort of their own home. This all-inclusive kit comes with everything you need to get started. You'll find 14 ounces of high-quality wax beads, applicators, and essential pre- and post-care products for a complete waxing session. Our specially formulated wax is gentle and effective, making it ideal for sensitive skin. Enjoy a comfortable hair removal process without irritation. We've made waxing simple. This kit is beginner-friendly, guiding you through each step for a hassle-free and successful hair removal experience. Achieve silky smooth skin with confidence using this premium waxing solution. It's the perfect choice for maintaining flawless skin at home. What we like. Looking for a hassle-free introduction to waxing at home? This complete kit is perfect for beginners, providing everything you need to get started. It's also formulated to be suitable for sensitive skin, ensuring a comfortable experience even for first-timers. What people say. The blush wax beads melt smoothly and apply evenly, and I was really impressed by how gentle they were on my sensitive skin. The wax grips hair well without pulling excessively, which helped minimize pain and redness. After waxing, the post-care products left my skin feeling calm, soft, and moisturized rather than irritated. Hands down the best waxing heater I have bought. Heats quickly. Love the silicone pot that allows easy cleanup on the top and easy change if you want to melt a different wax. The warmer, it is between the size of a dessert plate and a dinner plate. The cord is a 3-prong US cord that is very thick and durable. The temperature adjustment is a dial that is quite sensitive, so if you bump it, check to ensure you did not change the temp of your wax. It is easy to use though, and I love the digital display. It only took about 5 minutes or less to determine that, for me, about 165°F was perfect for waxing my arms with the blue wax. Number 3. KoluaWax Hard Wax Beads, Coarse Hair Formula. Introducing our powerful hard wax beads, specifically formulated to tackle even the coarsest hair. Say goodbye to stubborn regrowth and hello to smooth skin. This formula is perfect for a variety of areas, including your face, bikini line, underarms, and larger areas like your back and chest. Achieve professional results at home. Enjoy a refreshing experience with our sea salt and surf scent. It makes your hair removal process more pleasant and invigorating. This 1-pound refill bag ensures you have plenty of product for multiple waxing sessions. It's designed to work seamlessly with your wax warmers. We've included 10 large applicator sticks to help you apply the wax precisely and efficiently. Get ready for a smooth and effective hair removal experience. What we like. Tackle stubborn coarse hair with this specialized wax formula. If you're dealing with thick or resistant hair on your face, bikini area, or body, this is your go-to. The convenient refill bag and included large applicators make it an efficient choice for repeat users. What people say. These hard wax beads are an effective and user-friendly option for hair removal. They melt evenly, spread smoothly, and harden quickly, gripping hair without sticking aggressively to skin. Clean removal, less irritation, and professional quality results. These wax beads pulled almost all the hairs out by the root and stuck very minimally to my actual skin. The smell is light and pleasant also. The temperature of the melted wax seemed so much cooler than I expected. It was only pleasantly warm even though it had reached the right consistency to begin waxing. It's not at all messy and works like magic. It even pulls out smallest hairs. I used 2 applications on the same area only when needed, e.g. armpits, but for arms I just required 1 application. Number 2. KOTAMU Black Digital Wax Kit. Introducing the KOTAMU Black Digital Wax Kit, your all-in-one solution for smooth skin. It's designed for both women and men, making hair removal simple and effective. This kit is perfect for sensitive skin, ensuring a comfortable experience. You can use it on your eyebrows, face, legs, and underarms without irritation. Achieve professional waxing results in the comfort of your own home. It's ideal for removing coarse, soft, or any type of hair with ease. The digital wax warmer provides precise temperature control for optimal melting. It comes with 25 accessories, so you have everything you need for a salon-quality treatment. Whether for home use or salon services, this kit is incredibly versatile. Enjoy smooth, hair-free skin on any part of your body. What we like. For a professional at-home waxing experience, this digital wax kit is ideal. It handles all hair types, from coarse to soft, and comes with an extensive set of 25 accessories. If you desire precise temperature control and a comprehensive toolset for salon-quality results, this is the one. What people say. The wax warmer heats up quickly and maintains a consistent temperature, making the waxing process efficient. It comes with multiple types of wax beads, suitable for different skin areas and hair types. The included accessories, like spatulas and cleaning rings, are very practical and enhance the user experience. Number 1. KOTAMU Pink Digital Waxing Kit. Introducing the KOTAMU Pink Digital Waxing Kit, your all-in-one solution for smooth, hair-free skin. Achieve professional results in the comfort of your own home. Designed for both women and men, this versatile kit is perfect for all areas. From your face and eyebrows to your body and sensitive bikini areas, it handles it all. The digital wax warmer ensures precise temperature control for optimal melting and application. Enjoy a safe and effective waxing experience every time. This comprehensive kit includes 25 accessories to get you started right away. Everything you need for a salon-quality treatment is included. Say goodbye to expensive salon visits. With this kit, you can achieve the same smooth results conveniently and affordably at home or in your salon. What we like. This stylish pink digital waxing kit offers a versatile solution for both men and women. It's designed for all skin types and includes a generous 25 accessories for a complete hair removal process. If you appreciate a blend of aesthetics and functionality, and want a reliable tool for home or salon use, consider this option. What people say. The silicone bowl insert makes cleanup a breeze. I would never wax without a silicone bowl again, and it's wide enough so wax won't drip all over the pot. I like that it tells you the temperature it's at when you change it to a lower higher one, so you know if it's ready. The digital warmer heats quickly and the silicone pot makes cleanup easy. The included waxes target different hair types and body areas, so I was able to get smooth results on my face, legs and bikini line. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.